Okay, hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about how can we launch one of the flyout from the FlexCard action. So the whole objective, uh, there are different way of launching the flyout from action. So we will be going through that part. Let's go to the org. So this is my org. This is my standard uh, FlexCard. So where I'm having ID and one of the label which I have kept like checkbox right now. And the setup, if you look at right now, this is the custom JSON. This JSON is having ID, name, action, and icon name or listener name as an element. I'm just displaying ID here. What I'm going to do, I am create one of the action here, and from that action I'm going to invoke another flyout, and this is the flyout which will display the data. So this flyout does not have anything, it just a um, card properties like this, and this is JSON. We have done this, and if you see right now, we just map the data as an output and the field. So these are the different field which is going to display. Now let's go back to our flex card. We go to the build, we'll put one action field out here. Let's put the name of the action field label. Launch flyout. Display as a button. Well, brand. Now this is the place where we are writing one of the action. Okay, so this is action. Now action label and action type. So I'm going to change the action type to flyout. Okay, the flyout having there are three way of component display. There is a child card, there is a custom LWC and omniscript. So right now we are using only child card, which I have shown you previously. So child card has been selected. We need to put the child card name. The child card name is this one. Okay, now this is the place where we send the data. Whatever the data we have to send from our parent data to the child flex card. So there are different way I can show you. So we can use record. We can use records. We can use which record array number we wanted to send. Like if it is a first record, then 0. If it is second record, then we can send 1. We can send a record dot field name as well. We can send attribute also. For the attribute, we need to select the attribute here. So let's start doing one by one. So what we will do, we will first send the selected record. So we will just select the record. This what it will do, whatever the label you will checkbox from here, once you will click on this flyout, it will send that particular data. It will take that record and it will send to the flyout. Now there are two way of doing this thing, which is popover and model. So first we will see the popover, then I can show you the model as well. Now these are the different things which we will learn later on. So let's go and do the preview. Now see the each ID 1 2 3 4 4 5 6, and every ID is different. So I'll select this label, I will click on this launch flyout. See, this is the popover. So this is your record is getting displayed here right now. If I will select 4, 5, 6, this will give a pop over here. Now I will try and do it in the model. I will select it as a model and let's do preview again. Now if I'll select 789, it's 789 corresponding record will be displayed. Test 3, icon 2, listener 2. If I will select this 321, it will display different test 4. So each time, if you see right now, different model is getting open. Okay, now what we will do, we will go back to design. Now on selection of any launch flyout button, I want to send all the data. So what we can do, we can put as a records. If we will click on preview, now see if I click on this one, it says all the records, test 3, everything is coming. Okay, so we can check. So if we'll go to my this one, these are the things which we can do it from the data node. Records can send all the data records, so like just current records data. We can say specific record. I can show you that thing as well. So we'll go to the design part again. If I wanted to send always as a third, or let's say second, let's say it will send the second one. We'll go on preview. See, so second means first, second and third. So this will be always getting displayed. If I click on this one, this will give me the test 3. If I select the first one, it was always going to give me test 3. So every time only that particular array we can send it using records and array number. So that's one of the advantage which we can use it. Right. So this is the, and you can see this attribute. The attribute is something as an, you can say key, you can send as a key value here. You can see 1 2 3 4. If I'll go and preview, let's say I click on this one, I click on launch Flyout. This is getting displayed the third record only. If you see here in the data source, this is the data source, this is the Flyout. Flyout is having now attribute, where attribute I'm just displaying as giving as a 1 2 3 4. So this attribute you can use in your Flyout to send some, to do some different action out there. Okay. Now this is, I'm going to talk about that how can we close this model using pub sub event. So we'll be talking about that thing in a next video. Thank you.